Hey everybody, Troy, Roadside RC. We are out here today with our BetaFPV, what is this, the 85X Cinewhoop. So just picked this up. You know that Logan's been flying the Tinyhawk. I've been flying an iFlight ProTech 25. Didn't like the ProTech in a couple different ways. There's a new two drones. I kind of wanted something a little bit smaller. The second part about it was that thing was really loud. So I called up RaceDayQuads and I said, hey, what do you suggest if I want something, maybe it'll hold an Insta360 Go, like this has the ability right up here up front. You know, it can do something like that. It can use the batteries that I already have. Quieter, smaller, they recommended this. So we have got it set up. We're gonna give it a shot. So follow along as we try it out for the first time. Alright, first things I noticed, like it seems like it handles rather well. Seems like all that's doing good. Is it quieter than my ProTech 25? I'm really not too sure. As far as all this goes, for such a small drone, it's still rather loud actually, as we go here. I'm not super duper impressed with the video quality right off the bat. We'll have to mess with it a little bit. We're gonna run down the street here and just kind of see what our range looks like. This is using my FXT Viper goggles. Alright, well this is about where we would normally get to. And I'm still looking nice and clear here, so I'm happy with that. I usually tend not to get too much farther than that out of sight. Give it a little speed here. We are running 4S battery. Smaller props. It does not feel like it's as fast. Test over here, up and over the house. Woo! Right past the bushes. Oh, there's a tree. Our first hit. In the backyard. That is something I do not normally do. Look at that. That felt close. Again, just kind of noticing the overall sound there. This is in angle mode, just in case you're curious. Look at that guy. What? pretty comfortable with this quad. First flight out, really pretty happy so far. Flight time is doing really well. Okay, and just like that, so the first flight, everything was great. Second flight, as you guys saw there on the camera, I went into acro mode to give that a shot, see how it felt. And I immediately ended up crashing it after trying to do a roll. Blades are shattered immediately, so I'm definitely going to have to get some more blades for this thing because, wow, that only took one hit and those blades are done. But the other thing is I come in here now, I get 3 beeps, I get no lights on back here, and I get snow on the camera. It will not arm, it will not do anything. It is so now we are back to taking it back apart and seeing what came unplugged, what came unsoldered, what is the story. I have no idea because I'm still rather new to all this whole FPV thing. So really kind of getting frustrated, if I'm honest. Been trying this FPV drone thing, and every time I touch one, I break them. So definitely got to do something. Gonna take this apart. We'll fix it. We'll figure out what it is. We'll get it back up and running. But man, that didn't last long. So so anyway, is this better than the Tinyhawk Freestyle 2? Nope. Nope. I believe if I was still going to recommend somebody to get one, it would be that one. We have beat that thing into all sorts of stuff, and it has lived. This took one crash, it broke 2 props, and now all of a sudden it won't do anything anymore. So, BetaFPV 85X Cinewhoop, like, dang it. So as a new drone flyer, maybe not. So anyway, you know, hey, I appreciate everybody's support out there. Got any ideas? I always appreciate the feedback and the ideas as you go. Come over here, check out some other videos that we have going on, and we will see you guys the next time. So thank you very much. Goodbye.